Welcome to Ridevibes. Today, we're taking you into the future of Ferrari with one of the most powerful and advanced supercars ever made, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This is Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid supercar, and it delivers performance that's nothing short of breathtaking. Combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors, the SF90 Stradale produces a total of 986 horsepower. That insane power allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, putting it among the fastest road-legal Ferraris of all time. On the outside, the SF90 is all about sharp lines, functional aerodynamics, and futuristic styling. From its aggressive front end to the active rear spoiler, everything is built for speed and downforce. Its striking LED lighting and carbon fiber details make it a rolling piece of art. Inside, the cabin is ultra-modern, featuring a curved 16-inch digital display, touch-sensitive controls, and a racing-style steering wheel. Ferrari has designed everything around the driver for a fully immersive experience. What makes the SF90 truly revolutionary is its ability to drive silently on electric power alone in eDrive mode, or unleash full hybrid power in Qualify mode. It also features all-wheel drive, giving it incredible handling and grip on any road. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is not just a car, it's a statement about the future of performance. It blends raw power with smart technology, offering an unforgettable driving experience. Stay tuned to Ridevibes for more high-octane supercar stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling automotive content.